And the man accused of killing a young Cobb County couple stands trial. Prosecutors detailing a deadly home invasion and what one father found when he came to check on his son and daughter-in-law. And that is where we begin for you tonight at 6. The bench trial of Matthew Lands now underway.
Yeah, that's right. So he's accused of breaking into the home of Justin and Amber Hicks and then killing them exactly 4 years ago today. The couple were childhood sweethearts who purchased their home, their dream home, just 73 days before their deaths. They left behind a young son, Jacob, who is now 6 years old. 11 Alive's Grace King joins us live from the Cobb County Courthouse. So, Grace, what happened in the courtroom today?
Well, prosecutors described a scene that's hard to even imagine. Jacob Hicks, just 2 years old at the time, spent hours wandering in the family's house that day, wondering why his parents wouldn't wake up. It's likely why the defendant opted for a bench trial instead of a jury trial, where the judge will decide his fate.
We've tried calling multiple times.
Amber Hicks never missed work without calling.
I ended up going to the front door and I was banging on it very hard. And I gradually got harder and harder because I wasn't getting the response. And finally I was banging on it so hard it was actually bowing a little bit.
Justin's dad knew something wasn't right when Amber's boss called. He started walking around their Ackworth house when he noticed a broken window.
And as I peeked in, I saw that they weren't okay.
Prosecutors say their backyard neighbor, 22-year-old Matthew Lands, broke in the night of November 17, 2021, and shot Justin and Amber Hicks to death. They were childhood sweethearts who had just achieved their dream of buying a home.
I cannot think of one person that would be considered their enemy. I mean, both of them just easygoing, likable kind of people.
Their son Jacob was only 2, left alone wandering the home and trying to wake mom and dad.
Jacob tried to cuddle with his parents as they lay deceased on that couch.
State prosecutors plan to use surveillance video and ballistic evidence they say ties Lands to the scene. But his defense team hopes the judge won't take the state's words beyond a reasonable doubt.
Of course, what they say in opening is just what they allege the evidence to be.
He says his client believes he's been framed.
Matthew believes that he is been set up either FBI, CIA, or some government agency. I think you'll hear some information about that.
The couple's son is now 6 and living with his grandparents. Testimony is done for the day, but we'll be back here tomorrow at 9 a.m. Live in Cobb County, Grace King, 11 Alive News.
Okay, Grace, thanks a lot. And folks, that is not the end of this story. Just 2 days after the murders, police say that Lands broke into another home in Sandy Springs where he stabbed an officer in the neck. And that is a separate Fulton County case. So when we checked our court records today, we learned that there is a status hearing scheduled for December 2nd. Right now on 11 Alive Plus, you can stream the entire testimony from the trial and stay up to date on the latest from the courtroom. 11 Alive Plus is free to download on your smart TV.